grade.
Hello, my name is Enya Pao, and I'm in 4th grade.
We are part of Team 7899A in Rolling Robots.
Today we are doing the STEM Research Challenge for water conservation.
Water covers 70% of the Earth's surface, and it is an irreplaceable and vital substance for humanity.
According to the United States Geological Survey, we use 322 billion gallons of water daily. The average person uses 82 gallons of water per day. This accounts for numerous gallons of wastage every day.
We chose this problem because we are motivated to save numerous gallons of water.
According to Professor Karen McCall of the Ohio State University Extension, the number one source of water usage comes from flushing toilets, followed shortly by bathing or showering. This is why we are trying to reduce the amount of water used for these amenities.
Dual flush toilets are toilets containing two buttons, one button that uses less water and one button that uses a traditional amount of water. This will result in less water wastage. However, dual flush toilets are more difficult to maintain, resulting in an increasing amount of highly priced repairs.
Our solution is to use rainwater to save clean water for drinking. The rainwater falls onto the roof, and gravity from the slanted roof causes the water to descend into the leaf filter. The leaf filter filters the water as the water enters the tank ready to be used.
A pipe is connected from the tank to the toilet and the shower, so when the toilet is flushed or the shower is turned on, the valve to open the entrance of the tank is triggered and opens, allowing water to flow through.
When the shower is turned on, the water is transferred through a water heater before entering the shower. In case if the tank overflows, a pipe is attached to the tank, so as a result, when the tank is overflowed, the water leaves the tank through the pipe. This is a model of a multi-story house, and in this case, a 2-floor house. According to our idea, at the top you can see the tank, which is where the rainwater is stored. The tank being at the top also helps with gravitational pressure, so that there is no need for pumps. In this demo, the second floor has a shower, and the first floor has the toilet. Now we will show a demo of how the shower water is recycled for the toilet.
Is it coming?
Oh wait, I think I need to add more water, that's why. There we go. Now the water is coming from the tank to the shower and to the toilet. Thanks for listening.